Good morning to dear student. Today I will explain you exercise 1.6. First of all, I recall the law of exponent. You have learnt the law of exponent in earlier standard. Now a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Here a is a base and m and n are exponent. So a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. For example, if we are taking 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2, so is equal to 2 raised to 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, into 2 square, that is 2 into 2. So total how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2 raised to 5. So here we can say that the base are same, and if we have multiplication, so we are taking the sum of exponent, that is 2 raised to 3 plus 2. 2 raised to 3 plus 2, that is 2 raised to 5. So a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m upon a raised to n, division, law of division, is equal to a raised to m minus n, where m is greater than n. Here division, so we are taking subtraction of exponent. Here multiplication, so we are taking sum of exponent. Now another law, a raised to m whole raised to n, that is a raised to m into n, that is power of the power, that is multiplication of powers. We have to take the multiplication of powers, that is m into n, a raised to m into n. A raised to m into b raised to m, that is a into b whole raised to m, because here base are same but base are different but exponent is same. So we are taking ab whole raised to m. So these laws we are using in exercise 1.6. Here we have to find 64 raised to 1 by 2. So we can find in a two method. 64 we can say that 8 square, because 8 into 8 64. 8 square, that is 8 into 8, that is 64. Whole raised to 1 by 2. Now we know that power of the power, that is multiplication of power. So 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. The 2 cut, that is 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 1, that is 8. So we can say that 64 raised to 1 by 2, that is 8. Now 32 raised to 1 by 5. First we find the factors of 32. 32, it is even number, so divisible by 2. So 2 16 ja 32. Then 16 is also divisible by 2, so 2 8 ja 16. 8 is even, divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8. Then 4 is even, 2 2 ja 4, and then 2 1 ja 2. So here we